Morning boys, been a long time since we've done an Aviary update, eh? So, here we go. Hey Swins, before we get started, I'll give Swinny her peanuts. Do you want to hear what a happy pheasant sounds like? Come on, girl. Come on. So that's a happy morning pheasant sound. Every morning I hand feed her peanuts, and if I don't, she gets angry at me. So all the birds are okay. I know it's been a long time since I did an update. As you can see, Indy is up there performing for a red rump who's not interested at all. He likes to dance for all the different birds, picks a different bird each day. He was doing it to a turquoisine a couple of days ago, he was doing it to a dove yesterday. Today it's a red rump. Now, I decided to film today because we've just gone into lockdown again here in New Zealand. For the first time in quite some time. We haven't had anyone with COVID for 169 days, but we now have our first case of the Delta strain in Auckland. Ow! Poopy? Poopy just bit me on the cheek. Wasn't giving him a scratch. There you go, scratchy scratch. As usual, the teals are all on top of me. Oh, incoming. Now the teals are all gone. Hello Indy, do you want to say hello to everybody? Come on. Come on. Do a little dance. Hang on, I'll just make sure you're in focus. Having a bit of trouble with the camera because there's dust inside the lens, which is annoying. It's such an expensive camera, how dust got in there. I need to take it back and get it looked at. But until such time... Now, what are you going to do, dirty bird? No, 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 no. No, no, you want to scratch? You scratch? Little jump there, memory card was full. Doesn't happen too often. But anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, you, wasn't it? Hmm? Hmm? Back to where we were before we had a memory card problem. Traffic seems to have picked up now for a whole lot of people that are meant to be at home. Nothing is open in New Zealand apart from supermarkets, pharmacies, dairies, medical practices. That's it. Nobody's allowed to go to work. So I don't know why there's so much traffic out there. Everyone should be at home. Hey Andy, no. I already said no to that one. So yeah, all the boys are okay, all the teals. Hello Joestar, you can say hello mate? It's now gotten to that point of the day where they're all having a sleep. But Joey, Poopy, Charlie sitting there, we got Fry over there, and Leela at the back. Almost forgot your name, Leela. Everybody has been all good over the last however many months it's been since I've done an update. It's a little bit messy out here. I haven't put enough time into looking after out here recently, and it's winter at the moment, so it's a bit horrible. It's awfully wet. It's just bucketed down with rain this morning. Auckland sort of goes rain, sun, rain, sun, rain, sun. So yeah, a little bit damp. Betty and Five still chucking away. And Indy, it's getting painful, mate. Indy is pecking away at me like crazy. Yeah, off. And still got lots of quail. Yellow is fine next door. He's got a little friend. And the red rumps are all good next door as well. So everybody's all good. Anyway, I'm going to try and use this next week while we're in lockdown. Oh, that there is for Indy to sleep in, although I don't think he's used it yet. Over the next week, I'm going to try and film a whole lot of Cockatiel companion type footage while it's hopefully quieter than usual. Where's your mate, Dovey? Oh, there she is. So yeah, hopefully there'll be some more Indeed Don't Eat That Cockatiel companion footage very shortly. Until then, thanks for all the questions you guys still keep asking me and the support over the years, and hopefully we'll get back to a routine of regular videos one day. But until then, thanks for watching, and hopefully Cockatiel companion soon. Cheers guys. Indy, stop it. Stop it. Don't eat the camera. Yeah, go in front of the camera. Hey,